Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore multicam audio using Resolve multi-user settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and ensure you are in the edit workspace. Navigate to the media pool and import your multicam clips. Right-click on your video clips and select Create Multicam Clip. In the Multicam Clip dialog, choose your desired settings for sync. Ensure the audio sync option is set correctly, using either in/out points or audio waveform. Click Create to generate the multicam clip. Drag the newly created multicam clip to the timeline. Enable multi-user settings by going to the project settings in the bottom right corner. Under Collaboration, ensure that Allow multi-user access is checked. Open the playback menu and select multicam to enable live switching during playback. To restore audio, select the audio track associated with your multicam clip in the timeline. Right-click on the audio track and choose Link Clips to ensure synchronization with the video. Select the timeline's audio track and go to the Inspector panel. Adjust the clip's audio levels or choose the corresponding audio source for the multicam switch. If additional adjustments are needed, utilize the Fairlight page for precise audio editing. Use the audio mixer to balance the overall sound, ensuring clarity in your video. Conduct a playback of your timeline to check for audio sync. Make any final adjustments before rendering the project. Once complete, export your project through the Deliver page and select your settings. Finally, review the exported video to ensure all audio is restored correctly and synchronized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.